That's more delicious than many store-bought cakes and loved by everyone who tastes it. Let's place 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla and whisk until foamy. Next, add 1 cup of flour using a standard glass. Add 1 teacup of cornstarch. Add 1 packet of baking powder. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa and whisk on low speed until fully combined. Pour the batter into a greased large square Borcam dish and spread it evenly. Then, bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat, for about 30 minutes. In my oven, it took 35 minutes. Perform a toothpick test and let the cake cool after removing it from the oven. To prepare the syrup, take 1 cup of water in a saucepan, add half a teacup of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla. Heat it, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves and it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, remove from the heat and let it cool. For the cream of our cake, take 1 packet of plain whipped cream into a deep bowl, add 1 cup of cold milk and 1 packet of vanilla. Whisk until it starts to thicken slightly. As shown in the video, before it thickens completely, add 350 grams of cream cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. If you don't like coconut, you can skip it. Whisk on high speed until thickened. Our cream is ready. Refrigerate it while preparing the other ingredients. Take the fully cooled cake and run a knife around the edges to remove it from the Borcam dish. I struggled to remove mine, so you can line the base of the Borcam with parchment paper to make it easier. Or you can use a springform pan. Cut the cake evenly into 2 layers. Place the top layer of the cake into the Borcam base where it was baked. Soak the cake with the cooled syrup. Spread the cream evenly on top. Gently press and smooth out the cream. Place the other cake layer on top. Soak it again with the remaining syrup. Refrigerate the cake for about an hour. Now, prepare the chocolate ganache. Take approximately 150 grams of chocolate. I used milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate too, into a bowl. Add a quarter teacup of oil and 3 tablespoons of spreadable chocolate. As shown in the video, melt the chocolate using the bain-marie method. Stir occasionally until the chocolate is fully melted. Once melted, remove from heat. Let it cool for 5 minutes to release the initial heat. Then, add 60 grams, about 1 teacup, of chopped hazelnuts. You can skip hazelnuts, but they enhance both the appearance and flavor. Mix well and pour it over the cake, spreading it evenly. If you use a springform pan, the cake will look more like a professional bakery-style cake. It will look even better. However, as shown in the video, it also turned out great in a Borcam, both in appearance and taste. It's an amazing cake. Cover the cake and refrigerate it for at least 4 to 5 hours. If you have time, let it sit overnight. I refrigerated mine overnight. The next day, uncover the cake. Slice the cake into portions. Wipe the knife with a paper towel after each cut for clean slices. I decorated mine with powdered pistachios and frozen cherries. You can decorate it however you like. As shown in the video, both its visual appeal and taste make it an amazing cake. The cake is ready to be served. I'm sure you'll love it when you try it. Enjoy! If you've enjoyed watching my video, please support me with likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest. Backquote, backquote, backquote.